Ever wondered how a robot would print words, but always picks the absolute best way to make them sound tiny? This is day 53 of Coding Every Day. Alright, today we're tackling LeetCode problem 2434, using a robot to print the lexicographically smallest string. Spoiler alert, the core idea here is to minimize the output string. You start with an input string s and an empty temporary string t for s. The robot has two operations. It can take the first character from s and append it to t, or it can take the last character from t and print it onto a paper. The goal is to figure out the sequence of operations that results in the lexicographically smallest string printed on the paper. This solution employs a greedy approach combined with a stack and character frequency counts. The frequency counts help us efficiently determine the smallest character still available from the original input string. At each step, if the character at the top of our stack, which represents our temporary string t6, is lexicographically smaller than or equal to the smallest character that still exists anywhere in the remaining input, we greedily append it to our result. This strategy ensures we output the smallest possible character whenever feasible, leading to the lexicographically smallest final string. This approach results in order n time complexity, where n is the length of the input string, and uses order n space for the stack and result.